What's up guys, welcome back to another drawing tutorial. Patreon request today from Emmanuel. This is Kano from Mortal Kombat 11, the guy, the half cyborg guy. The landscape page, use a pencil, use an eraser, hit pause if I go too fast. Yeah, portrait of him. So, eyebrow, frowning, heavily. So, stop saying so, go this way. Curving. So across. And this is like his eyebrow area. Kind of frowning. There's a bit of a nose line here. Eye in under here, top eyelid, touches the eyebrow, back down. Into the corner there. And then the bottom eyelid line comes around like so. So he's kind of looking up at us from underneath. So you do a half circle coming down. And the pupil. There. And if you want like a bit of an eyelid line there. So nose, so bridge of his nose. There. Kind of comes out from underneath his other part of his eye. But we'll just go down. And then we have nostril. Here. And then nostril there, and they kind of like are joined together with this bump. And then the skin of his nose this way. Right, so he's got a big mustache. So what to do first? Maybe we'll get the cyborg thing in. So it kind of comes down right by his nose here. And then comes over the top. Goes down here. How far does that go? Is that his beard? No, that's the eye patch. Kind of looks like Deadpool's eye, actually. It's funny. So he's got like a frowning eyebrow on this as well, but it's like a piece of metal, obviously. Goes back up to there. And then his red eye kind of in under this. And then there's like pieces of metal that come across the top of this, kind of like for what you would call eyelid line shapes. And then there's like stuff coming down here. It's like a circle there, and then a little box or something. Triangle part here. And like there's all more sort of like arched sort of edge lines and stuff, just to make it look a bit three-dimensional. like that. It's all sort of silver and shiny and stuff in there. Right, so mustache. So a large mustache coming right underneath his nose. And around. So it's like just zigzag line. Right, and then, so he's kind of like smiling, so it's really dark in there, so I can't really see, but if I was to imagine, if he was smiling, he'd go down in the middle, back up the corners, curling his lips, and then his cheek sort of comes around the mustache here. And then we got a bottom lip line just here. And he seems to have a little, like, piece of hair, like a triangle goatee sort of thing here. And then his chin is real square. Put there. So he has sort of, I think they're called mutton chops. He has those, old English kind of sideburns. They're kind of Russian or English. I've seen English people with them, but maybe Russian as well. Is Kano Russian? So just like coming down here. So it makes his face look like real sort of square. And then his sideburns come up this way. You got like side of his head. And there's some wrinkles coming across his brow as well. So this will be like his hairline. And then we can see an ear. Just sort of above the eyebrow in this case. Because his head is kind of tilted forward a bit. Other ear. So he's shaved on this side actually, so no hair here. So and then his hair, right? So he's kind of like, yeah, shaved on this side, so just bald here, right? So just kind of smooth. And then there's like all these hair spikes that start to come down. It's like it's combed over this way. And it's all shaved there. It comes down onto his forehead. This is just the side of his hair then. And then we'll go across the top of his head, I guess. Okay, now that's his head. So muscular body with a big disc here. Okay, so wide neck first. Russian sort of wrestler style. Very big neck muscles going down to the center of his chest. Right, yeah, so central line of his chest is here, and then chest muscles come out and kind of connect with his shoulder muscles kind of on this side, but there's a big strap here that comes down to that android looking thing. So I'll deal with this now in a minute. We'll try and get his, his chest sort of muscles in. So say, kind of like his shoulder, joins his shoulder a bit. Out there, so very wide. And then, so like tricep going that way. Bicep very dark in there. I think that bicep is behind his body. What way is that? Not clear is the way it is. Okay, so if I was to guess, I would say rib cage. Just going that way, and then his bicep will be so veiny sort of there, I think. That's what it looks like to me anyway. And then his nipple there. So his other shoulder, so we got like, say, chest. With nipple there. And then shoulder comes out this way. There's all tattoos on this side. And I will draw them because I think they're easy enough. Tricep. Bicep line. And this bicep comes over his body. So his ribs are in there. Vein. Deltoid muscles. Okay, we got to deal with this thing. So it's kind of circular. Not like perfectly circular because it's got like some jutty off bits. So like say here, it's like bits that kind of bump out. Right, and like here as well. And then it comes around again. There's a bit that sticks off here. It's kind of like an eye shape, but like there's circles inside, so like a red glowing one. Kind of like an eye. And this has kind of like an edge coming around. Kind of does look like an eye actually. And then there's another part that sticks in. something else here. Like there's all these broken up sort of mechanical bits. But, you know, they're not the simplest, but we'll simplify them a bit. Boop. There. Just trying to break them up, make them look a bit three-dimensional. Some more detailed stuff inside here. Mechanical objects are always difficult. But then that's not bad. It looks pretty similar. And that's like glowing. The strap keeps going this way. It's kind of crisscrossed, actually. Must go that way as well. Can't see it under here, but I would say it probably. Oh, and there's like some silver stuff here as well. So kind of like extra little bits like that. And then he's kind of hairy on the chest, right? Now, you know, you could do loads of this if you wanted, but we'll just make it sort of textured a bit. But he's kind of extremely hairy around. It probably goes onto his stomach and everything. Okay, and tattoos. Spiky tribal looking things. There's like other little spikes in here. They look like they sort of wheel around there, but they kind of disappear for me. A few more room. Feel free to do that. There's another thing here. And maybe on his armpit, am I right? Alright, Kano, Mortal Kombat. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for the support on Patreon for this long time now, man. Well, you're a patron for a long time. Legend. See you in the next one. Bye.